Hello guys, you have reached Regina TV, and today I am going to show you a multi cleaner that you can make on your own and replace all those other cleaners that you have sitting around your home taking up cabinet space. If you want to see what it is, then just stay tuned and don't forget to comment, like, subscribe, and share. Let's get to it. All right, guys. Well, let me tell you, I love to clean. I love to clean. But that don't mean I want to spend all day doing it. And also that don't mean I want to have a lot of products in my house, to clean every little different thing that I have to clean. Now, today I am going to show you how I mix up a cleaner. And at the end, I'm also going to show you a bonus that you can do with it. So guys, I do a mixture to clean everything in my home. I'm talking about from my sparkling refrigerators, dishwashers, tubs, windows, soap scum. I mean, anything that you need to clean in your home, this product does it. So let me show you how I mix it up. All right, guys. Well, the first thing that you're going to need is some Dawn dishwashing detergent. I like Dawn because not only is it a good product, but it also cuts grease. And you are going to need some cleaning vinegar. I get this from the Dollar Tree. And man, it will make your faucets and all of your stainless steel shine. It will make the white in your tub white. When I show you how to mix up this cleaner, you're gonna love it. Okay, so you're gonna have those two. And this is optional. It's up to you, depending on what you're trying to clean. You're gonna have some water. You're going to need a funnel. You're going to need a funnel and a measuring cup. Me, I really don't need that because I know how to do it by eye. And you're going to need some type of empty container, depending on how you're going to apply your cleaning product. Here is an empty bottle of Dawn. So I keep my empty large bottles like this so I can fill it up with my mixture of cleaning. And you can go and get a spray bottle and fill up a spray bottle with it. This is one that's already filled with, the cleaner in here for areas that I have to spray. So I'm going to show you how to mix all this up. Okay, first you're going to get your empty container, whatever empty container you're going to use. Okay? And you're going to get your cleaning vinegar. Now, like I said, I'm used to mixing this up for how I like to use it. You can eyeball your mixture. Really, I would go like halfway up. I'm going to fill that halfway up with the cleaning vinegar. See that? Going halfway up with cleaning vinegar. And then I am going to take some Dawn. And I'm not going to put that much in it. Maybe 2 good squirts in it. Like that. And if you like, you can fill the rest up with water. As you do this ratio of cleaning product, you're going to see what you need more of. Usually I don't mix water in mine because, like I said, I don't need water in my cleaning solution. But for those who may have a different surface of what they want to clean it with, it's okay to put water in it. You turn it, and that is it. Now, guys, I'm going to give you a bonus about this cleaner. Now, guys, I use this cleaning mixture everywhere in my home. But I'm going to tell you, a bonus about this cleaning mixture, it also kills weeds. It also kills weeds. So if you have crabgrass or something like that growing, you can just put it on the crabgrass. Or if you got grass growing up between your sidewalk, or weeds growing up between your sidewalks or in your rock garden or something, this will kill that. But guys, I'm telling you, I use this in my toilet. I use this in my shower, on my shower wall. It get off soap scum. It makes your stainless steel and your faucets and everything and your stainless steel sink sparkle. Anywhere you want to use this, you can use this. And it got rid of all those multiple cleaners I had under my sink. Guys, we are at my sink, and one of the things I love to do is I love to take my cleaner, and whether I'm spraying it or just squirting it around, I squirt it around and I just let it sit. I let it sit and let it do what it's going to do, and I move on to something else. I do the same thing in my bathroom. I come to my bathroom, I either spray it or squirt it around, put it on my faucets and everything, and it just gives a beautiful shine. I let that sit, then I move on to my toilet. I let that sit, and then I move to my shower or go back and wipe up where I let it sit. Now, we're still in the bathroom, and I can show you right now, without me even touching the faucet, how the faucet looks. Guys, I haven't even cleaned the product off of the faucet, and the faucet is shining already. That's the water right there. So like I said, it's optional if you use water. Now, I'm going to wipe down everything. Look at that. That is shining. That faucet is shining. The sink is pearl white. And I didn't even let it sit long. This is a wonderful product. I'm gonna let it sit in the toilet a little longer. Okay, so I'm just gonna get the sponge, make sure that it gets soapy everywhere. That's one of the best things. If you have time, it's good to just let it sit and work. But you really don't have to. You can just apply it and go. You can apply it and wipe it off, or apply it and go. And then come back, soap it up the way I'm soaping it up in my sink to really let it work. And I love to let it just sit like this. And I come back and just rinse it off. Okay, let's rinse it. I hope the camera is picking it up. hope the camera is picking it up, how shiny my sink is just from scrubbing it in. Well, first applying it, letting it sit, rubbing it in, letting it sit. I hope the camera is catching me just spraying it, letting it sit. And I came back and I applied a little rubbing to it and just rinse. Look how clean and shiny this sink is. Look how clean and shiny. So guys, I used to have a whole bunch of cleaning products under my sink, just clogging up my sink underneath here, but I don't anymore. I have my cleaning vinegar, my dishwashing liquid, my mixture of what I use to clean everything, my gloves, and some sponges when I need to change my sponges out. And that's what under my sink look like now. And just in case you was wondering, even though it says cleaning vinegar, it doesn't smell like vinegar. If I want, I can allow this to sit, or I can flush. And it's clean and shiny. All right, guys, well, those were a few examples of how well it cleaned and how quick it cleans and how good it cleans. Now, I use this on a multitude of different surfaces and areas in my home. Not only has it cut down on how many different products that I used to buy, but it saves you money. Well, guys, that is it. You have reached Regina TV. Don't forget to comment, like, subscribe, and share. Hit that notification bell down below so you'll know my next video is coming out. And until next time, stay safe, stay blessed, love one another, and I'll talk to you later.